So now, with that, hopefully, we will not only give tzedakah and use our great voice, but we're also going to meditate, and we're going to use that fiery passion with us, and hopefully do the best tshuva this year from happiness and joy, that we can get to the next level. And even our body and our brain and everything will be in unison to see like such great results this year. Please God. So now let's do a meditation. Oh wow, a great voice. Since we've done so much over the years with our voice, but now we're having a little different twist of a focus. Our voice is separating into parts, and we're using gvura when we're using our voice, and that will make sure that it will arouse God, and that He will make sure to direct and separate what's our due. So it won't be randomly dispersed in our life, and it won't be wasted, that we won't be able to absorb it, that it'll really penetrate in our mind, in our heart, in our physical life, our physical well-being, and of course our children, our community, and all of Am Yisrael. So with every breath you take, you just feel a wave of relaxation. And as the breath comes in this time, pay attention to the breath coming out, because today we want a great voice. And let's make a deal here right now between ourself and our voice. Like, hello, voice, hello, hello. Like, can you please pick up the pace when you pray? Don't forget me, the voice is saying. I want to be part of this mitzvah too. Please. It'll be for your good. Really focus your attention on this breath, and how you so desperately want to use it for prayer and not for fighting or arguing or proving you're right. Just really focus your breath specifically on the godliness that will be manifest because you're using your voice in a holy way. Especially when you hear Baruch Shem Kavod Malchuto Le'olam Va'ed in the Rosh Hashanah prayers. It'll be a ding-a-ling-a-ling, a reminder. Use your voice. Use your voice. Use your voice. Use your voice. And maybe even see yourself now getting close to the shul, getting close to your siddur, and you begin to see yourself using your voice. And you believe right then and there you're arousing God's voice, His innermost being, His essence, His light, His revelation. It's really streaming down toward you like the drops of dew that arouse the rain. And feel surrounded by this light. Feel protected and feel it coming inward. Because we are capable of receiving the inwardness of Hashem. Face to face, in our heart, in our mind, in every fiber of our being. And feel the jolt in your soul, like a shift. Every word you say, every word you hear yourself say, it's upgrading and elevating your whole being. And then you can see a vision of yourself, and you're really transforming. See the vision of that success with whoever, or with life in general, in all the particulars of the specific areas in your life that you want to succeed. Everything about you, all the particulars. Your body, the way you're standing, your facial expressions, your eyes, and of course your sweetness. Lots of love, lots of warmth, lots of compassion, lots of care, lots of empathy, lots of bonding. And when you're ready, beg Hashem for His sake that this Rosh Hashanah you won't keep looking at your watch maybe. When is the service over? Oh yeah, I don't know. It's the head of the year. Please hear my great voice instead. Please Hashem, I beg you for your sake. Let me really maximize all the beautiful severities that are really sourced in a lot of chesed that's just going to come shining through into all of our lives. Techev u'miyad mamish with Mashiach Tzidkenu. So, Shana Tova Matuka, just in case, you never know, but I hope next week we will join again in Yerushalayim. That's it, with a great shofar blowing, and we're heading there like on the eagle's wings. Done. We're there, please God. And remember, keep shining through, smiling through it all. Bye. Bye. Shana.
You've just experienced another Torah class brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.